So guys, the crypto markets are setting up for something really big right now, and I want to talk about what's taking place. I want to talk about the price action around Bitcoin, what's causing this price action, the news and sentiment around Bitcoin, then, some news events that are currently taking place, how it's having an effect on our altcoins currently, my crypto portfolio, as well as overall what you should be doing in the crypto markets and in the crypto space right now. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, my experience, my crypto portfolio, and just my perspective on the crypto space. But let's jump into it. So Bitcoin is currently on the verge of pumping out, currently trading within around that 59,000 to 61,000 mark. Currently it's sitting at 59,000 as of the making of this video. Currently everyone's talking about how we're on the verge of a breakout. At least influencers are talking about that. Some of the largest asset managers currently are obtaining more Bitcoin, buying more Bitcoin during this time of consolidation that's taking place. And honestly, this consolidation phase that we've been seeing taking place with Bitcoin is one of the longest in history. And honestly, based off of consolidation, when this takes place, the longer consolidation, the bigger the rip. So currently right now with this sideways trade action, it should be, causing a lot of bullish sentiment. But, right now we're teeter-tottering on, if we're going to be blowing up or if we're going to be deviating downwards. There's tons of positive news around Bitcoin. Currently with the Bitcoin ETF volume trading that's taking place. On top of that, interest rates came out at around 2.5% lower than expected. So currently right now, that's really positive. Basically, pretty much with the Fed cuts that are going to be taking place in September, so that's really positive for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole. On top of that, just pretty much the price action around Bitcoin based off of previous cycles, we're pretty much on the verge of something really big. But I have also seen other perspectives of people talking about how we're going to deviate lower, and that's where I'm really focused on. Everyone is getting really positive and really hyped about the sentiment currently with Bitcoin breaking over 60,000, but I honestly feel like a deviation is going to occur, and you need to be keeping that in mind so that you can probably cut some off the top whenever we start to see some profit in the markets, and then from there you can actually have some liquidity to jump into new projects or double down on your current projects. But currently that's the news around Bitcoin. It's trading between that 59 and 60,000, waiting on a definitive mark for Bitcoin so that we can determine if we're going to be ripping up or if we're going to be going down. As a result, guys, of all the Bitcoin news taking place, altcoins have been taking a hit. My crypto portfolio, as you can see, has been taking a hit. Pretty much started around the whole US stock market and Japan stock market liquidations that were taking place. Pretty much the Japan stock market was, lending out money with low interest rates almost at zero practically, and caused a lot of liquidations to take place in the stock markets as well as in multiple other markets. And, as a result from that, altcoins have been taking a huge hit because Bitcoin has retraced, around 5%, 10%. Overall, we're down right now. This is expected, especially with all the price action currently taking place around Bitcoin and, the sentiment not really being concrete. Everyone is, like how I said, teeter-tottering whether we're going to be deviating lower or shooting up. So until we have a definitive move, altcoins are going to be shaky. Now, there's still one-offs in the markets that are performing amazing while everything is going down. So that's why it's always good to keep up with the sectors that are performing best, the narratives that are taking off, and what everyone's talking about in this space. Currently with altcoins, if you're invested in altcoins right now, the best thing to do is really evaluate your crypto portfolio, look at your positions, see which companies and projects are still building during this time and which ones you don't feel that confident in. This is where you can actually start to determine which projects that you have high commitment in and which ones are producing good results. Overall, I'm pretty committed in all my projects that you currently see on the side right here, mainly invested in meme coins and AI coins, and I'm focused on more of a long-term view than short-term. So I honestly plan on seeing some great gains in the next few months, but we won't see that in our altcoins until the price action around Bitcoin starts to change and we start having some more positive catalysts around Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. But overall, the best thing you can do for altcoins, if you're invested in altcoins, is double down on the positions that you're currently in. Watch the price action around Bitcoin to determine if you want to jump in now or wait to a lower deviation point. And then from there, also evaluate other opportunities in the crypto space and different narratives so that you can take advantage of this time currently. So guys, overall, the current market feel is keeping up with Bitcoin, seeing what's going on with the altcoins, and keeping up with the catalyst events that are currently taking place in the markets that are going to have an effect on crypto cryptocurrency. Right now, Bitcoin is chopping sideways. Everyone doesn't have a specific narrative around Bitcoin just because based off of the price action, we could deviate lower or shoot up higher. If we look at previous cycles and, you know, currently where we're at, everyone's talking about how we are about to rip up and go really parabolic based off of that price action. But when everyone is talking about, you know, us popping off and everything, I think it's really good to get, you know, the other perspective of other people in the markets talking about the deviation that is probably going to take place before we start to rip off. I honestly think we're going to be popping off a little bit, and then from there we might deviate stupid low to squeeze out everybody that isn't committed into the markets, especially people that are longing and, you know, multiple other different areas around the crypto space. But currently right now, people don't know what's going on, and as a result, with our altcoins, everything is kind of trading sideways. People are, you know, doubling down on their positions. Some people are liquidating and waiting for a lower deviation point. But that all determines on your experience in the crypto markets, how you feel about everything that's taking place, and how you can read the markets currently. As a beginner in the crypto markets, I have made some mistakes whenever we hit the peaks of the market, not selling at specific points. But right now, based off of the price action, as well as being in a few private Discord groups on specific price action around Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything else in between, I honestly feel confident that we're probably going to be deviating a little bit lower before we start shooting higher. So I plan to take some profits if we start to see a rip up, and then from there hopefully see a deviation point where I can actually jump in at lower points. But that's what we're documenting on this YouTube channel. Overall, guys, I'm documenting my crypto journey, showing you guys the price action around Bitcoin, keeping up with the crypto news events, catalyst events, and then from there showing you guys how altcoins are being affected, and, you know, mainly my altcoins as well. At the end of the day, I'm a crypto beginner, do not know what's going on. I just follow the news events that are taking place in the crypto space, follow past price prediction, current price action, and overall what everyone is talking about in the space. But if you guys are new to the channel, go to check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, documenting my crypto journey, my perspective on the space, and everything else in between. I'm currently getting a lot of information on the back end, seeing exactly what a lot of, you know, higher end people are talking about, paying for, you know, information before other people get to it. And I plan on sharing a lot of information on this YouTube channel to help out beginners in the space. Overall, you can make some crazy gains in the crypto markets. I've already made some stupid money, and I plan on making crazier gains leading into the next few months, 2024, moving into 2025. But overall, I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. I'm currently on my lunch break. I got like 10 minutes to eat and everything like that before I had to head back to work. Have a 9 to 5, but hopefully this crypto investments, my business and everything will soon set me free, and I can fully invest my time into crypto because I love crypto trading. Overall, I love it a lot. But if you're new to the channel, drop me a comment, drop me a like, subscribe. I really do appreciate all the support and everything you guys give to me on this YouTube channel. My whole YouTube channel has been taking a slight dip, which is quite sad, but overall I'm gonna keep pumping out content for y'all, keep you guys updated on the crypto markets, and just show you guys what's going on for a crypto beginner like me. But guys, I'll keep dropping daily content every single day. Like I said, I drop daily content and keep you guys updated with the crypto markets, what I'm currently doing as a beginner, my losses, my wins, and everything else. But other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.